Ginger is one of those superfoods, and by drinking just 1 glass of ginger tea a day, you can have all these amazing things happen for your body. Ginger is really great for managing your blood pressure. It can help to lower your blood pressure. It also helps in preventing heart attacks and blood clots. It can help to relieve your heartburn, lower your cholesterol, and improve your blood circulation. So lots of great things for your blood. And yes, just drinking 1 cup of ginger tea can give these benefits. Number 2, a really great one is for nausea. So if you have any kind of nausea due to morning sickness or even chemotherapy, or if you have nauseousness like motion sickness type nauseousness, it even can get rid of those types of symptoms. So if you experience any kind of dizziness or vomiting or cold sweats, all of these symptoms can be alleviated by just drinking some ginger tea. If you want to lose weight, taking ginger tea first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before you eat anything, is very helpful. It helps to supercharge your metabolism and get it really fired up, which will help you to burn up that fat. It helps to stop fat being stored in your body, and it promotes the absorption of the fat that already is in the body. It also helps to control your appetite, so you'll want to eat less. And it helps to break down that fat so it gets used as energy in your body, so it's not just sitting there. All of these things very important to help to get that fat burning and that weight where you want it to be. It also can help to control your blood sugar. So if you have any diabetes symptoms, it's really good for that. It helps to reduce your fasting insulin and helps to balance your triglycerides. So taking ginger tea is really great for your diabetes. Having a glass of ginger tea every day will help to relieve any kind of pain and inflammation you have. If you have some kinds of arthritis, for example, it helps to get rid of the inflammatory markers, so you have a lot less of the pain developing. And it helps to get rid of all kinds of inflammation throughout your whole body. So it helps to relieve most kinds of pains that you might be experiencing, including menstrual pains. So if you're going through your menstrual cycle, it also will help with relieving those kind of cramps, especially if you start taking the tea first thing when the cycle is starting. It'll help to relieve the cramping. Did you know also that ginger tea can help to fight cancer? There's been a lot of studies showing that ginger has lots of cancer-fighting properties, specifically in helping to prevent cancer cells from multiplying. So this is very important. Ginger tea is also great for your brain. It helps you to concentrate and focus better. It increases your energy. So maybe first thing in the morning, you're having a hard time getting up, you might want to try and drink some ginger tea. Maybe if you have some big exams coming up, you should try and drink some ginger tea just to help you get your brain focused and concentrate better to do a better job. Ginger tea, of course, is great for your immune system. So if you're trying to boost your immune system, this is something you should be including every day. It has lots of antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to jumpstart your immune system to just fight all those invaders and make you feel strong and healthy. If you're getting sick, having a cold or a sore throat, ginger tea is excellent for that. It helps to get rid of those common cold and painful sore throats. It can help fight off almost all illnesses, especially like strep throat and things like this. It even can be used for any kind of respiratory illnesses. If you've got a cough and those kind of things, you can take ginger tea. It will help to relieve all these symptoms. Cold season is coming up soon, so make sure that you are using your ginger tea. Ginger tea can also be good for your teeth, your oral health specifically, because it helps to kill off those harmful pathogens in your mouth, so preventing gingivitis and any kind of bacteria from developing in your mouth. You could say it's good to use as a mouthwash because it has lots of antimicrobial and antifungal properties. So great for your oral health as well. Now, who can take this? Everyone can take this because it's ginger tea. It's safe amounts for everyone. So even if you're breastfeeding, it should be safe. It's not large doses, so it's not going to be harmful. So how much should we use? So you should use about 1 teaspoon a day. This is enough. So you can grate 1 teaspoon of ginger and use this to make your tea. You can use 4 to 6 slices of ginger to make a tea with this. You can use 1 teaspoon ginger powder or 4 cups of pre-packaged ginger tea. This is also the same amount. I will also leave some links here on the video for those of you who can't get it, of where you can find some of these ginger teas already made that are really good if you're interested. So just click on the shopping bag on the video. How to make it: if you would like to make your own ginger tea, which is fresh is best, you will use 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, or that into 2 cups of water. Bring that to a boil. Then let it steep for 4 to 5 minutes and your tea is ready. You just add a teaspoon of honey there and drink it daily for all these amazing benefits. And I hope you enjoy drinking this ginger tea even more now that you know all these great things that it can do for you. Leave me some comments down below how you have used ginger tea. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.